We're going to graph the exponential functions. So think of these as a to the x, or down here, since that's our natural exponential, e to the x. All of the graphs are going to look like that. Again, exponent is up to the right. These are rising up to the right. Okay, same here. These are exactly the same. Oh, I went a little higher. This is what they're going to be looking like. They're going to hug the zero. They're never going to touch it, but they're going to come really, really close. There will be an asymptote at zero, unless there's some sort of transformation. So taking a look at 9a, this is going to tell us to shift, left 1. We're going to go back. Left 1. Okay, and then this plus 2, that's going to tell us to go up 2. And the 3, that's our a value. That's our base number. Okay, so on our graph, we want to go back 1, up 2, and here is our new origin. And the asymptote is going to just go rise up 2 instead of at 0. It's going to go shift up 2 and go through the new origin. Then from there, we want to plot our points. Okay, so we do all the transformations first. We get our new origin point. Then we think of all of these problems just like this. Okay, so right now we have 3 to the x. If I was to plug in a 1, 3 to the first is 3, so 1a. If I was to plug in a 0, 3 to the 0 power will give me 1. And if I was to plug in a negative 1, 3 to the negative 1 will be 1, and it will push it down to 1/3. 1a, 0, 1, negative 1, 1 over a. So from the new point, I'm going here 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, and negative 1 about 1/3. And it's going to hug the asymptote to get really, really close. Whoa, that's terrible, but that's okay. Okay, and go through. So the domain, it's going forever to the left, forever to the right. So domain would be negative infinity to infinity. And the range will be starting from this shift up 2, going on forever. So 2 to infinity. The asymptote is a horizontal, so y equals 2. Right now we have e to the x minus 2. This is telling me to go right 2. Whoop. And then my a value is going to be the e, so the 2.7. So I'm not shifting from the 0, I'm just going to go right 2, and my new origin's right here. Again, if I was to plug in the points, if I plug in a 1, I get e, a 0, I will get a 1, and if I plug in a negative 1, it's 1 over e. So from here,